Your family and friends will give thanks when you bring out Confection Couture's Leaf Garland Stencil Edgered Cookies made with Julia Usher's Thanksgiving Place Cards Dynamic Duos message set. To learn more about the techniques shown here, check out the other videos on the Confection Couture YouTube channel. In addition to the stencils shown here, you'll find more information about the tools used in this tutorial by visiting our website. These include the AirGenie airbrush system, Stencil Genie, Screen Genie, Quadrant masking tool, cookie magnets, DecoPac airbrush food coloring, and of course, cookie cutters. Visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com today and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.